Okay. Who is that?
Casey.
What number is he?
5.
Good job.
That's not Casey. Duke Cowboys. I don't do Cowboys.
Okay, Dude Cowbush.
He's right here. No, he isn't. He's number 5. Right here. Well, Casey Kane.
That's not Casey Kane?
No. I'll do 99. Casey Kane's right here. No, she isn't.
You're thinking of Danica.
Yes, Danica.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this guy. I'll take the race for Danny. Go.
Who is it?
99.
What's the driver's name?
I don't know.
Carl.
Carl Edwards.
Good job.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Dallas. Look at how smart you are.
Oh, no. That one's out. It's out. Oh, that was... No, that's...
And then number 2.
Number 2.
He was, wow, he sat at the pole that race. Number 2 sat at the pole. That's Jeff Kozlowski.
Yeah,